About this item: build your legacy with the 7000D Airflow, a full tower case for your most ambitious PC builds, offering easy cable management, a spacious interior, and massive cooling potential with room for up to 3 simultaneous 360mm radiators. A high airflow optimized steel front panel delivers massive airflow to your system for maximum cooling. The CORSAIR Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy access hinged door and a roomy 30mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 3 CORSAIR 140mm air guide fans and PWM fan repeater, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A massive interior accommodates up to 12x 120mm or 7x 140mm cooling fans, and makes it possible to install multiple radiators including 3x simultaneous 360mm or 2x simultaneous 420mm for extreme cooling. Customizable side fan mounts allow you to side mount up to 4x 120mm fans or up to a 420mm radiator, opening up a new world of cooling options. Put the spotlight on your graphics card with a 3-slot vertical GPU mount on the PSU shroud, big enough for today's most powerful graphics cards. Show more in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: build your legacy with the 7000D Airflow, a full tower case